Hello, dear students. Hope so all well. Welcome in French class by Mr. Vashisht. Today, we are going to discuss with you l'article partitif. Can you tell me what is the article partitif in English? Partitive articles. What is the partitive articles? You know? Partitive articles in English we call some. Like I drink some water, I drink some milk, you eat some bread, he drinks some water, like that. Okay? So now the article partitif, four type of article partitif we have in French. How many types? Four type. Same setup we have in French, like masculine, feminine, voyelle and plural. So masculine recognized not ending with e, feminine recognized ending with e, vowel starting with vowel, and plural ending with s. So now we'll start l'article partitif. Divided in four parts: masculine, feminine, vowel and plural. Masculine, du. We use for masculine, du. For feminine, de la. The, la, de la. Feminine is de la. Vowel, del apostrophe, starting with voyelle, plural, they. So, make a sentence. Je bois du lait. I drink some milk. Tu manges de la viande. You eat some meat. Il boit de l'eau. He drinks some water. Il mange des fruits. She eats some fruits. She eats some fruits. So, again, du, je bois du lait, de la féminine. Tu manges de la viande. You eat some meat, de l'apostrophe. For the starting with vowel, il boit de l'eau. He drinks some water. Il mange des fruits. She eats some fruits. Hope so you understand. It's very easy. And we'll change in now negative. So now l'article partitif négatif. In negative, du, de la, de l'apostrophe, they. Change in the. Okay? Change in the and the apostrophe. So in negative, all article partitif change in de or d apostrophe, and d apostrophe for only vowel. Okay, so now we change sentences in negative. Je ne bois pas the lait. So do change in the. Okay, so what's the meaning of the? Any. So I don't drink any milk. Any. Tu ne manges pas. Tu ne manges pas de viande. Il ne boit pas du. Il ne mange pas de fruit. So, feminine, de la change in the viande. De l'apostrophe change in d apostrophe. Elle ne mange pas the fruit. They. So, for plural we use they and it's change in the fruit. Okay, hope so you understand. So just we are going to call again l'article partitif du masculine de la féminine, voyelle the apostrophe, plural they, meaning is some. Negative, when we change in negative sentence, so du, de la, del apostrophe, they, change in the, de or d apostrophe, de for consonant and d apostrophe for vowel only. So change in the. Hope so you understand. Thank you very much.